Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on TalkBack function in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. First of all, we need to go to settings. Then in settings we are looking for accessibility options menu, and here we have TalkBack. So before we turn it on, we have a tutorial how to use it. So first double tap to activate an item, drag 2 fingers to scroll, and how to turn off our TalkBack. So turn it on. Yes, allow.
TalkBack on. TalkBack.
And now
Navigate up.
TalkBack is active.
Home.
Select, tap 2 times,
Home.
and that's
Search.
it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in next video. Goodbye.